What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you're old here, welcome back to my channel. I got shit on my teeth already. So you guys showed me so much love on my UGG slide video. I decided to purchase some more shoes so I can show you guys what I got. And without any further ado, let's get started. We have a huge box from Dolls Kill. If you never heard of Dolls Kill, it's a dope ass site. They got some fire ass clothes. They're kind of expensive though. And some dope shoes that you can't really find anywhere else. And I've been interested in this clothing store for like a few years now, and I finally decided to get my shoes. These shoes, I have been looking at them for like a couple months, I think, and I was like, I finally broke down and got them. So I'm going to open them right now with you guys. I have not opened this package, period. So this will be the official unboxing. Okay, that was not. Oh. Damn, it's like a fucking casket or some shit. Alright. Is Club X. This is the box. I got a size 10, of course, because I didn't want to fuck around and have them not fit, because these shoes are too. Oh, I forgot I ordered more stuff too. Okay, so I got these socks as well. These Huff socks. They are so cute. And then I also got these socks right here. These are Rip and Dip clothing socks, and let me see, these are like a little cat and it's saying fuck you bitch, period. Okay, so oh my god, here they go, y'all. They're so cute. Damn, these shit is big. Like, I can't wait to smell them. These shits is huge. These are cute as hell. Okay, oh, okay, so on the bottom they have details with, if you can tell, they have skull heads right here. It's 1, 2, 3 skull heads, another one right here. The bottom is like that turquoise blue color, and then you got, not hot pink, the shoelaces are hot pink, but this right here is like an eraser color pink. I don't know what color pink. Bubblegum pink? Yeah, bubblegum pink. And then the rest of the shoe is holographic and snakeskin, and then they have a zipper right here, which I like the gold detailing against the hot pink. That's cute as hell to me. So, oh, I can't stand no stiff ass zipper. Period. Damn, y'all. These shoes is intense. I can't even get the damn zipper down. Hold up. Come on, Dolls Kill. What the hell? In here, so I'm just gonna pull the stuff in out. I'm gonna try these on for you guys. Walk around in them a little bit. Y'all know how I do. These shoes are so fire to me. Like, bitches is gonna definitely want the tea. Okay, I'm definitely not here for the zipper. I'm gonna tell you that now. Like, the shoestrings though are so nice. They're really thick. They're not like that cheap shit. It's nice. Let's pray they fit, because y'all know I have bad experience with ordering shoes online. Okay, so you guys see me walking the shoes. You saw the shoes. Tell me what you think. Make sure you leave me a comment. Bitch, I'm about to get fucking pissed with this lip gloss. yeah, so make sure you leave me a comment. Make sure you let me know what you thought about the shoes. I love the shoes and I love the socks. So let me know if you would wear these. Probably 9 times out of 10 you wouldn't, but I love my shoes and I can't wait to wear them. And let me know if you guys really love this video, if you love the shoes. Let me tell you how much the shoes were. Hold on, let me tell you. They're super comfortable. Like I said, they're easy to walk in because they're platforms, obviously. So without these shoes on, I'm like 5'8", 5'7", 5. No, not 5'7", 5'8", 8.5. So with these shoes on, I would say I'm probably like 6 foot. Like the quality of the shoe is really nice. The zipper did give me a little bit of a hard time, but I think that's just because it's just super sturdy. It's like not a flimsy shoe whatsoever. So yeah, you shouldn't have a hard time walking in these at all. Like, I prefer these type of heels. So they say they were $98. I thought they were more than that. So they're called the Poisonous Vixen Snake Platform Boots, and they are $98. The Lit Lord Normal Socks, which were the red ones, are $12, and the Plant Life All Light Sock, which was the Huff ones, was $18. So yeah, and the shipping was really fast. It came from FedEx. Yeah, FedEx. So yeah, I absolutely love my shoes and I'm just so excited. I'm so happy that I have them on. Yeah, what else do I have to tell you guys? Thank you so much again for all the love y'all showed me on my other videos. Both the styling video and the UGG video did really, really well and are continuing to do really, really well, and I'm so grateful for that. Make sure you guys check out all my other videos. I have makeup videos, I have vlogs, I have just lifestyle stuff. And make sure you subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and share it with someone. I don't care who you share it with. And yeah, I expect to see you guys back here at my next video. They have so many shoes on that website that I wanted to get, but I was like, I'm gonna have to narrow it down. I don't want to be greedy. Super cute too. I might get those. Not right now, but eventually. And I like the shoes. They have like lights on them and all that stuff. Like, I want all the shoes. Alright, like I said, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.